Okay, here's a quick look at the market through the eyes of E-mini Day Trader for Tuesday, March 30th, 2010. Well, of course, we always like to look at our market profiles here, and each market profile is a volume and market profile. The last three here was that I've just pointed to are profiles from today, the overnight session, and from yesterday. When I say today, that's the regular trading hours only, and that's considered to be 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time to 4:15 p.m. So going into today, we had mentioned that the 71 area was likely 71 and change was good resistance, and that the market could have support down around the 63 and a half. Well, you can see here the market hit 64 and change today, and it did get above that 71 quite nicely, reaching 73.75. So, but as you can see, the market came back in and closed around 69. So, this probe up here is somewhat disappointing if you're a bull, because, and I'm speaking a bull in a longer time frame basis, either a swing trader or a position trader, because the fact that the market moved up above 71 and held for a period of time today, and then fell below it and stayed below it for the rest of the day. And as you can see, very late in the trading day, the market came up and actually hit 71 again, yeah, right here, very, very late in the day. So all of this below here, I would have to consider that a bearish development. And our next level of support really is around, well, the most immediate one is around 67, but then it's down here at 63.50 again. And it would not surprise me if the market tests that either overnight or tomorrow, and perhaps continues lower. There is some news coming out tomorrow that may just do that. Here's our profile from just the regular trading hours only, and you can see that most of the day was a consolidation kind of day. Here's our software, and you can, if you just draw that line of support that we had at 71.25 right across here, you can see that the market, hit it to begin with, stayed above it, broke below it and held, and then tested it late in the day. So that 71.25 area really acted as a good barrier. We didn't actually have a system trade until in here where we got short, and it did reach our 1.5 objective, although we were not filled on that 1.5 point. So we just had one trade today that reached our first objective. So and that was just for half the position. The other half position was break even. So now we did obviously have some other opportunities based on the market structure and the areas of support and resistance that we were looking at. But those would be more from the advanced traders who are familiar with our philosophies and the way we look at the market. And so just a day of consolidation, and that rejection of that probe higher is, I believe, somewhat bearish. So watch out below. It has the potential now to break. If it rallies back above 71 and holds, that would obviously negate that potential, and then the likelihood would be another test of the high, at least around the 74 area, if not the 76 area. So that's a quick look at the market through the eyes of E-mini Day Trader. Any questions or comments, just give us a holler at info@eminidaytrader.com. Thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we will see you again tomorrow.